Hello, YouTube. This is Math with Marcus, and this is problem number 74 from Chapter 1 from the CPM Course 2 books, 7th grade. This is a question about scaling axes. One of my favorite things to do. It's so important that we have axes that are scaled properly, so that increase by a consistent number every time, and that these intervals are evenly spaced. So these intervals are evenly spaced. Now we just need to know what we're counting by, because we don't go from 0 to 60 to 100. I want to know what each one of these intervals are here. So if we go from 0 to 60 in 1, 2, 3 intervals, I need to be thinking, well, how do I get from 0 to 60 in 3 pieces? Well, that means that each of these must be 20s, 20, 20, 20. So I'm counting by 20s. So that means I go from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, check, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100. Same thing here, except I go from 0 to 60 in 4 intervals, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could think of, well, what's 60 divided into 4 equal intervals? And that's 15, so I must be counting by 15s. So 0, 15, 30, 45, and then 60 plus 15 is 75. Here, go from 0 to 100 in 1, 2, 3, 4, and the difference of 100, so from 0 to 100 is 100 difference, divided between 4 intervals, 25 per interval. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. In this one, I go from 0 to 100 in 2 intervals. So 1, 2, so that must be 50 and 50. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. There you go. That's scaling axes.